Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import N8N workflows. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open N8N and pick a workflow that you want to duplicate. I'm going to choose this one because it might encounter problems when importing into another N8N instance, and I want to show you what to look out for so it doesn't happen to you. The next step is to click up here and download the workflow, then go back over to Workflows. Now imagine this is a brand new N8N instance. Click Add Workflow, choose Import from File and select the file we just downloaded. At this point, if I run it, it would work fine because it's on the same instance. But if I moved it to a different instance, it wouldn't work. Why? Because we need to go through each of the nodes that have credentials. You have to add credentials for them again and make sure you select the correct Google Sheets with the proper format. The same applies to Postgres nodes, OpenAI nodes, or any node that does API calls. Sometimes the API key might not even be there, it might just look blank. In that case, you'll need to manually add the parameter for the API key, enter the value, add the URL, and configure the variables for that node to work properly. Once you've updated all of the credentials and settings, run the nodes and everything should work 100%. I hope this helped you out. Thank you for watching.